gosh, I can see Henderson Fire Department Engine 92 on scene near my neighborhood, and I don't know what they're doing there. I don't know what the call is, but yep, I know that it's probably an emergency, but I don't know. Because I also got to say hi to the firefighters. They also said hi to me and waved at me back. Alright, well, I also followed the fire trucks and I already saw that they're ready to leave.
See ya! Oh my gosh! I knew they were gonna hit the lights! Oh yeah, they also build it! I don't think they're gonna honk it because they're in my neighborhood. Let's follow them. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, the fire truck. Alright, I'm sorry this is shaky. I'm trying to ride my bike while on the phone at the same time. Alright. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pedal. I'm gonna pedal. Oh my gosh, they're going to my neighborhood. Hurry. Alright, well, they're... Oh my gosh, they're stopped at the stop sign. Okay, leaving. Alright, well, I got an idea. Well, I'm gonna ride my bike. Okay. Just so you know already, I already blurred all the street numbers and house numbers and license plate because I know there's lots of bad people on the internet who wants to come and stalk or rob me. I think they're already gone. Peace.